morning, guys. It is, what is today? Wednesday. And guess what? I'm at the lake house. I'm here with my mom. We're gonna spend the day. We're gonna have a nice dinner out tonight. I'm really looking forward to it. This is the perfect time of year to be here because the leaves have all just changed color, and I don't often get here in time to see that. So it's really beautiful. We'll take a walk a little bit later on so I can show you guys how pretty it is around the lake right now with all of the changing of the leaves. But on my way here, I took a detour to my P.O. box, and I'm really excited to finally open up the mail that I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you guys. I'm so excited to share all of these things with you. I just cannot even believe the generosity and kindness of you guys. So I received another recipe from my friend Terry, and if you guys watch my channel, I always make this one specific, it's like a pan chicken recipe, and it was, I believe, from Terry as well. So she sends the best recipes, and it's a delicious chicken pot pie recipe that I'm so excited to try. And then my sweet friend Charlene sent me these lovely cards, and look at how cute this is. It says, "Gather around, sisters." So adorable. I love all of the Hocus Pocus stuff. And my friend Margie gave me this really, really cute Happy Halloween Mickey card. That is so adorable. I'm gonna keep this forever. I just think it's gonna look so cute. I could even frame it. It's really, really cute. And then I have a really sweet card from my friend Stacy, but it has family photos, so I don't really know if she's comfortable with me showing that. Look at these face masks. It's the Beauty and the Beast stained glass artwork that I just love from my friend Seam. And look at the sticker too. This is so cute. I'll probably use this on my calendar for like the next book club. I just think it's so adorable. You guys are just so wonderful. And this I received in an Amazon package, but it does not tell me who it's from. So if you're watching this, if this is from you, please let me know in the comments or message me, because these are just so adorable. These Harry Potter bookmarks, I love them, and I'm gonna put them in a couple of my favorite Harry Potter books. Really, really cute. Another adorable Halloween card. And this is from Deborah, who she actually shared a really cool spooky story with me of something that happened to her. And then I love these pictures that like they change into spooky faces when you move them. So I'm excited to include these with my Halloween decor. And I got everything just in time for Halloween. And then finally, I am freaking out about this. My friend Stephanie sent me all of these beautiful gifts. One being this wine glass, and it says, I don't know if you can see the etching, but it says, "I wine because I am not in Disney," which is perfect. And then this really, really nice Jim Shore figurine of Mickey and Minnie, and it's just so beautifully done. Look at the detail on this, and it's a really heavy wood. It's so, so cute. I just cannot even believe the generosity and kindness. Candy, which I love, obviously. And then look at this. This is a Loungefly Belle inspired wallet, and I'm actually gonna use it right now. Like, I'm gonna switch it from the wallet I'm currently using and put this in my purse, and it actually even matches my purse really well. And it's so, so adorable. I love Loungefly, and anything, obviously, Beauty and the Beast is my favorite thing ever, and I just think this is so beautiful. Thank you guys so, so very much. I will be reaching out to you all individually, obviously, and sending you a thank you and all of that, but I cannot even believe how sweet you guys are, and I appreciate all of this, and also just those of you that comment or send me emails or messages. I cannot even tell you how much I really, really appreciate that. So this just made me so happy. I just got off my daily webinar that I've been doing this week with Disney, and now we're making lunch. I just put in a couple of chicken pot pies that were here frozen, so we're gonna have that for lunch quick, and then I think I'm gonna take a walk because it's just so beautiful here, and I want to get some pictures, and I just want to show you guys how pretty it is. And it's really just a perfect fall day. It's about maybe 60 degrees, maybe in the high 50s, really crisp out, and just so pretty. I just keep looking out the window. So we're gonna do that. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have a quick lunch. It's about 3:30 now, and I've been reading The Keeper of Happy Endings by Barbara Davis. This is the book that we chose for my Patreon book club, and it's really, really a great book so far. I'm very much enjoying her writing, and just the whole storyline is very captivating. So this has been very enjoyable to read today. It's just about 5 o'clock, and me and my mom are going to a local restaurant that's really pretty. There's like a waterfall, and they do tapas, just small dishes, so it should be fun, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So we just got our food. We have this really good mac and cheese. We have a chicken dish, and this is a squash with pecans and I think cranberries. Oh, looks really good. How do you like this place, Mom?
I'm ready to
You're ready to eat?
It is beautiful here.
It is really beautiful.
Absolutely stunning.
So we are back at the house. As you guys could see, it is such a beautiful restaurant. I really enjoy going there, and I'm so glad we were able to kind of catch the end of the season and the outdoor dining, because pretty soon I think that's not going to be a thing, although they do have all of these heating lamps. So I wonder if they're going to go into the winter season with the outdoor seating with the waterfall and everything, because it's just so pretty. I am really stuffed right now. We ate a lot, but we had a nice night out, and now I am going to get ready for bed. So once again, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along today. And this video is probably going to be a little bit late because I'll be home tomorrow to edit it and upload it and get it out to you guys, but I'm not quite sure what time that's going to happen. So sorry if it's late, but definitely I will have it posted tomorrow. So that's exciting because I only have a couple of days left and Vlogtober will be ending. So glad that I was able to pursue this throughout the entire month. All right, that's going to be it for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.